Can the person I unblocked see my past snaps and chats?
Hello and welcome to our Snapchat tutorial. Today, we're going to delve into a question that many Snapchat users often wonder. Can the person I unblocked see my past snaps and chats?
Understanding Snapchat's privacy.
Before we can answer the question, let's briefly talk about Snapchat's privacy settings. Snapchat is designed around the idea of temporary content sharing. This means that snaps are usually deleted after they are viewed, and chats disappear after a certain period of time, unless they're saved.
What happens when you unblock someone?
If you've previously blocked someone on Snapchat and then decide to unblock them, that person will not immediately see your past snaps and chats. This is because when you block someone, they're removed from your friends list, and any conversation history is hidden.
Can the unblocked person see past snaps and chats?
This is where it gets a little tricky. The person you've unblocked won't be able to see any snaps or chats you sent them before they were blocked. However, if they were part of a group chat before you blocked them, they might still be able to see messages from that group, depending on the settings and whether messages were saved. It's important to note that if you start a new chat or send new snaps to the person you've unblocked, they will be able to see those new messages and snaps. So, the unblocking doesn't reveal past interactions, but it does open the door for new ones. And there you have it. When you unblock someone on Snapchat, they won't be able to access your past individual snaps or chats with them, but they might still see past group chats, and they'll definitely be able to receive any new snaps or chats you send their way. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep snapping, and remember to be mindful of your privacy settings.